Hey guys, I'm going to be playing some heist, and I want to mention one friend, Key. He's on the phone, and he has a YouTube channel, Key Gallon, and we should start doing this because I don't want to be in for long. I don't know why, but the last people have some money. That happens sometimes, but not all the time. Sometimes you'll get like a clean start. Why am I right off the bat? What is this green arrow pointing to? There. Let's see. What is this? Okay, let me see what happens if I go on here. Oh my god. Where am I? Am I in space or something? No, I'm on a plane. Okay. Do I need to drive this thing? Okay. Oh, let's not go there again. And I have no... Oh my god, you just flew right back. Okay, let's just walk back. Oh my god, I thought that was my death right there. But I guess not. Oh my god. If you want to get like a little fright like me, go ahead. And I already got 24,000. Just wait for like, I don't know, 3 minutes and you'll get a big surprise when you get back. Like me. I don't know, I might wait for like, I don't know, a minute, I don't know. Whatever I feel like. I got this. This is not sponsored. I got this, I can stack it. Okay, let's go get some money. Oh, 20, not bad. I'm going to be left with 5k. Okay, now I need 20k. No. 37 if I count that. Even worse. Okay, this is a bit weird. Why did I appear here again? This game is coming to be weirder, and weirder. I don't know. I may do a part 2, I don't know. Okay, there. I did get this. Oh, I already bought this. Okay. It's better to buy everything first. I might have told you that before, I don't know. SpongeBob's are all over the floor. I know, I thought I'll never be saying that. Here I am, saying it. I don't know why I don't do these things, but I think I loaded like what did I get for Christmas thing. People just do like, this is what I got for Christmas. So yeah. I can't wait. I might post a week or 2 later than Christmas. Probably, I don't know. How I'll feel like to post a video for yous. Trying to get money. Trying to move my camera. This might work. Okay. Oh, say hi. So you can see my money right up there. Okay. So, yes, that should be enough. Yep. No, how much do we need? Okay. Let's get more things. And I don't know. I just somehow get enough money just walking through all of them. I wish I can be a vlog channel, but I guess not. There is 2 reasons, especially why. 1, I don't have a camera to vlog on, and 2, I have no idea how to do another channel or how to even be a gaming channel and even come into a vlog channel. I have no idea how that works. Some people can just be like both. So they'll be like, okay, let's play a video game or something for the first week. Then for the second week they do like a vlog. And I'm confused how they can do that when they don't even have a camera. Do they just carry their laptop everywhere or something? So many things I need to discover. Oh my god, I can't talk at any of these videos. Already 6 minutes in the video and we are not even done. So yeah. Let's carry on. Okay, that I still don't have enough. I need 55 pounds right there. I mean cash. I don't know why I see 55 pounds. I don't know. Okay, I'll need 25 more. I don't know why, but I always want to know how fast thousands come in. Every 1 second, so I can be away for 1 minute. And I'll have 60,000 more. Okay, I'm just blown away. 1 second you get 1,000. You can get more than that. Don't tell there is more. Okay. There's 40 and I have 8. Oh, I have enough. That's what people do. Just they count or talk to the camera. Then then they say, oh, I have enough. Oh my god, how much are we going to spend? 120. Okay, you know what? I'm going to get as much money as I need. Then I'm going to just like work on the house because I don't feel like it right. Add flowers. Bingo. Now it's less likely to fall. Okay, we're going to already need more. Jump! Okay. SpongeBob's are flying. Oh, 79. It's enough to get one thing. Let's get this. I don't know why. Okay. I don't know why. It's just annoys me when you don't get something. Before, like when you get this, you're like, yes, I'm done. Then you turn around. Just imagine there was more, and you'd be like, oh, I don't want to get that, but I'm going to be angry if I don't. Yeah, that's me sometimes. Okay, there. I can get the cheap things for right now. Just being away for, I don't know, 3 minutes, how much would that be? Probably around 100 or something. Boom, boom, boom. I wish I had a second channel. Leave it down in the comments if I should start a second channel. Just write hashtag second channel. And I'll try to see if that's fun. And I'm going to try my best to be more like a vlog channel then. If I could have If you heard that, that was just my friend, and he was just laughing because I was trying to film this to you guys. Guys, I think you better smash the like button, and I don't know if you get, I don't know how much likes we should get on this video. If we get a lot of support, we might do a part 2, but if we don't, I'm still going to just do a part 2. And hopefully you enjoyed this little comeback from a month thing. I'll try to do this more often. Yeah. Be awesome, stay awesome, and have a fantastic day or night. And I feel like I stole that from somewhere. I don't know. See ya. Peace.